In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off those annoying birthday notifications on your Facebook app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Facebook, then to click onto our user profile, click into our profile. So we're on our page here. Now scroll down and click into edit profile. Now, from here, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and we need to click on the button that says edit your about info. From here, scroll down again and get into basic info and you'll see your birthday here. Click on that pencil icon to edit it. Now, if it says friends or public, that means anyone can see your birthday or upcoming birthday and send you birthday wishes. But if you want to turn that off, simply click on where it says friends or public and click only me, then click done. And then click on friends again, only me, or done as well. But mainly you just want to click off or make this only me your actual birthday date, and you don't really have to worry about your year because that won't notify people. And then from here, simply click on to save, and then that's going to stop those annoying birthday celebration posts on your Facebook wall.